This is the exact reason why I'm transferring out of Stan Store and into Kajabi. As you can see, the net revenue is way higher than Stan Store, and there's a specific reason why. I got a comment, as you can see here. Why not Clickfunnels or GoHighLevel? I kind of explained briefly why not, but I want to go in a little bit more in detail so that we can kind of understand what's going on here. Let me go ahead and share my screen. In the past, owned an agency, which basically the model was they buy low ticket just to get them through the door. I called it like an entree. And then if they're most likely going to buy the low ticket, they'll probably buy the mid ticket eventually, and then the high ticket. So I just kind of ascended them into my offer, low ticket being the entree, this one being the main dish, and this being the dessert, which is where I would make my money, I'm being honest, which is here and a little bit of here. I almost never made money on this in here because that would pay for the people that I've hired and outsourced to. So I am applying similar things to my father's business, but slightly different because what he's doing is coaching and selling a digital product. And this is the main reason why we're switching out of Stan Store, not because it's cheaper, not because it's easier to use, but because the limitations that it offers. For example, Stan Store currently only has order bump. An order bump is basically on checkout, you'll see the offer, but before you actually complete your order, it looks like this. Like, hey, by the way, do you want to add this to your cart as well? Which is fine, but Kajabi, because of the amount of revenue we've made before on it, is because of the levels of opportunities that we're going to be able to enable, which is upsell and downsells. So, difference between that, if you don't know, once you do purchase the low ticket, you'll be able to prompt them the option to add this to their purchase since they already have the $27 that they've spent. And if they decline when they put no thanks, we could downsell them. So we're basically trying to get as much as possible um, so that we can properly curate the next offer for the customer. So same thing goes for his structure. He is also doing a low ticket of $27, mid ticket, and then his high ticket, which I haven't mentioned yet, but we've sold in the past before. Somewhere, some way, somehow, he's kind of lost track, and he hasn't been able to get back on track. So I'm just trying to help him. But yeah, that's basically the reason why we're converting over to there. And on top of that, is we want to be able to receive the customer's email or the potential customer's email. So if they opt into a free lead magnet, the email being sent out through Stan Store isn't connected to a legitimate business domain name that we own. So we don't know if they're responding to us or not. That's one bad thing. But Kajabi, I'm able to connect the domain and we can actually receive the emails. So if we have an email saying, hey, reply cash flow or reply to this email if you have any questions, we'll actually be able to see it and engage. Another thing is, detail yet. I'm currently in the process of setting up the back end. I kind of already set up the front end. I'll probably walk through that in another video. But aside from that, that'll probably be it for this update. We're still on day 14. I'm just connecting Kajabi so that we can slowly transition out of Stan Store And then I'm going to also show you how I used AI to our advantage because um, we finalized the funnel. So I'm just going to walk you through in the next video on how I used AI to our leverage.